Welcome back everyone. In today's video we're going to talk about Inter-VLAN routing and static routing. This challenge will test and reinforce your ability to configure routers and switches for real network communication. Let's get started. First, here's a quick look at the VLAN assignment we're working with. VLAN 10 Sales, VLAN 20 Production, VLAN 13 Marketing, VLAN 88 Management, and VLAN 99 Native VLAN. We're going to start by configure Inter-VLAN routing on the router R1. For that, we need to enable subinterface on the main trunk interface gig00. So I should type interface gig0/0.10 to enable subinterface for VLAN .10, actually VLAN 10, encapsulation .1q and IP 172.31.10.1. This is the VLAN 10. Then we jump to gig00.0.20 for VLAN 20 with IP 172.31.21 and interface gig00.13 VLAN 30 IP 172.31.30 and 1. Gig 0.88 for VLAN 88 172.31.88.1, and the last one is gig 00.99 for a native VLAN. This IP is 172.31.99.1. Each subinterface is tagged with a specific VLAN ID that using the encapsulation .1q command. And VLAN 99 is configured as a native VLAN, as you can see. Now let's move to the switch 1 and configure trunking on the uplink port. Interface gig 0/1 switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99. This enables trunking on gig 01 and sets VLAN 99 as a native VLAN, and this is so important for untagged traffic and to ensure VLANs pass correctly between the switch and router. Next, we head over the HQ router to set up static routes to each of the VLAN networks behind R1. So I type configure terminal IP route 172.31.10.1 with subnet mask /24 serial 000. Now we repeat these commands for VLAN 20, 30 and 88 on the serial 00. Then we configure a route to reach the outside host network 29.165.200.1/27 using two paths. Primary is IP route 209.169.200 and 0 with subnet mask 255.255.255.224 for serial 010. Then for the backup, we type IP route 209.165.200 and 0 with subnet mask 255.255.255.224 in serial 01110. To backup route, it assigns an administrative distance of 10, so it's only used if the primary links fail. On the ISI side, we configure summary routes for the entire networks 172.31.00/17. So we type IP route 172.31.00 subnet mask 255.255.128.0 serial 1/11. To backup, we type IP route 172.31.00 with subnet mask 255.255.128.0 serial 01025. Again, the backup route has a higher administrative distance, so this time 25. So it's only active if the primary fails. We also configure a default route on R1 to forward all unknown traffic toward HQ. That wrapped up the skill integration challenge. In this lab, we practice VLAN routing, trunk configuration, static routing, summary routes, and default routes. All essential concepts for CCNP-level networking. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your question in your comments. See you in the next lab. Bye.